Hello everyone! Today I'm continuing the wanderings on the Isle of Wight. I'm in the southern part of the island, in Ventnor, and I came here because I'm gonna go for a wandering in the Ventnor Botanical Gardens. So let's go and explore. There we are. Okay, we are in, and I'm prepared to see countless gorgeous plants and flowers that I've never seen before, and I have no idea what they are. But we're here to learn. So beautiful. Okay, let's go on the first bus. I'm gonna try and take it as organized as I possibly can. What's hiding behind there? Oh, beautiful. Some yellow irises. The little pond. Some colour lilies in the distance. And I think there was meant to be a waterfall here. That's not happening now. It's a gorgeous sunny day. And as much as it's good for colors and the lighting, I'm not a sun lover. Yesterday in the overcast weather I managed to get burned, so that's that. Oh look, a fig tree with new leaves, and it already has figs on. Wow, you're quick. Now you need to know that the Isle of Wight is off the south coast of England, and it is one of the warmest of the whole country, so everything happens faster than anywhere else. And before I whiz away, I just noticed, look at the tree trunk of this fig tree. Well, I think it's more than one fig tree, completely intertwined. It also must be really old. Absolutely beautiful. And it has, look, they made it to go over this pergola style thingy. Beautiful. Wow. I'm just staring at it because I'm amazed at how interesting it is. Let's see. What does it say? Ficus carica, brown turkey fig. Cool. Now we know exactly what it is. Oh, by the way, prepare yourselves that there's gonna be at least 2, if not 3, wanderings in the botanical garden. I'm planning to spend the day here. Let's have a look at you, little beauty. Oh, pretty. And more of these beautiful lilies. And this is all under a magnolia tree. Magnolias have bloomed even in London a while ago, so here, look, it's already full of leaves. Okay, this side of the garden is focusing on plants from the Southern Hemisphere, South Africa mostly, and I think some Australian plants as well. What are you guys? They come in 2 colors. And the whitish kind. Pretty. I really like these ones. I do get to see them occasionally in gardens of London as well. They're not open. And this one is still a bud. Just spotted a very pretty ladybug, or some sort of relative of it, which is mostly black, and then it has 2 red spots. How cute are you? And there's loads and loads of different colored African daisies. Red, purple, pink. And I think this is something different, though it looks quite similar. It's beautiful. It's just too sunny. Even with sunglasses I can barely see. Okay, I think I found the label for the yellow flowers. That's what it is. Something calendula. The layering is really beautiful and nicely done. Look. And the mixture of African daisies and our European daisies. Very pretty. There's still plants here as well that are yet to grow out and bloom. These ones will be this. I'll just show you from where we came. Look at the view. It's really beautiful. And we are going this way. Okay, we came from here. It's a beautiful sight. And we are continuing down on the path this way. And I've spotted some tall eucalyptus trees, which I really like. So let's go see them. And what are you? Honey bell bush. Okay, I don't know it. Obviously something from South Africa. Beautiful. I'm not sure if it's this that has a lovely scent or something else behind me. I'm always sniffing things. Now that is funny. A kangaroo sign that you should expect for some to hop out, which I doubt that will happen because I'm pretty sure they don't have any kangaroos here. But here, a lovely eucalyptus. And yeah, it was a different scent I smelled before I got here. The eucalyptus has a very unique, recognizable scent. Oh, beautiful you are. Look at the roots. Well, everything is so beautiful that I just feel I shouldn't even switch the camera on and off. I should just keep on filming, and then it's gonna turn into a 7-hour film. At least. I don't know what you are. But you're pretty. Look at that. Looks like one of those, oh gosh, what are you called? Something bush. I remember seeing something like this in a bigger version and with pink flowers. It's a sort of, oh, I found it. Acacia verticillata, or prickly Moses. There we go. Now we know what it is. Just take there, so I remember. Happy birds. There's a creek down there. No, there's not a creek. I don't know. Oh, this is so lovely. And I like to be in the shade because it's too hot for me. What are you? Let's see. Wine be jam or something. There we go. Bush, you have a very strange name. It's a leaning bush. There we go. And there's the little, oh, big yellow shrub we passed. And I can see some arty thingies here. That's nice. Okay, let me just, there, so you can see it completely. I've threaded off the path. You can see the eucalyptus leaves on the floor. And there's something else that they try to make it look like some sort of prehistoric paintings. Ah, it does look nice. And there's different types of eucalyptus. You can see the change in the color of the bark. More reddish, more whitish. Well, if I would have time and I wouldn't want to explore the whole thing, I would just sit down here for a while. Look at that. I'm in an enchanted forest again. I love it. And let's have a peek there. It's a cricket field over the fence. There's a nice, look, stone fence. And practicing. You see the machine. They don't need to be bothered anymore to throw the ball. And another team. There are visitors, but it's not overcrowded, so yay! And I hope it stays like that, because I always try to come as early as possible, just soon after they open, wherever I go if I can. Oh, look at this! I love the ferns! And these are ginormous ferns, they're not the usual ones, they must be from Australia or something. Look at that. It's so much taller than I am. They're at least, I don't know, I don't want to exaggerate, but at least 8 feet tall. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm turning into a little critter and I'm staying in this botanical garden for a while. I'm not going away. Look at that. Okay, I found the label for it, so I know exactly what it is. I was right, it's Australian. Let's have a look at one that's still a baby, a giant baby. Look at that. I just love the curly whirliness of it. And there's loads more. Well, I have decided that I'm not galloping through. Not that I ever really do. I'm gonna take it easy. And enjoy the sight. There's some steps leading down. I wonder what's under there. I might go down in a bit. Oh, this bridge we just crossed, it's called Bob's Bridge. For some reason, I think a guy called Bob built it and came up with the idea. And another kangaroo sign. And another beautiful eucalyptus tree. Now all we need is a couple of koalas as well. And some cuddles with koalas. And then that's that. You're in heaven. I'm just repeating myself, but it smells amazing in this whole area, so it's lovely. Now, shall we go on the little hidden path or up that way? Well, I want to cover this section, so I'm gonna go that way up. Let's see what's there. I found something else that I don't know, and I think this is a plant I spotted recently at Isabella Plantation by the water, but I'm not sure. I'm just suspecting it might be the same. Looks like this as a whole. Found a little path behind the trees. So, oh wow, look at this. Let's start from the bottom up. Down, 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 down. And it's going, and it's going, and it's going. And some more. Well, when that's gonna pop and blossom, I'm sure it will be quite a sight. And there's the other one. Look at that. Look at this eucalyptus shedding. I'm gonna collect some leaves from the floor. Put them in my bag. Just for the scent. There's loads on the floor, you see? It's starting to be a bit windy. This is the view from the top of that little hill. It came from the bottom that can be seen right now. Cool. So some little steps on the side, and we'll go down that way. There. This way. And I found a little cone. Hello. I want to pick and collect more things. Okay, let's go this way. And this is a funky path because look, all around the roots of the trees there's moss. It's a bit wonky to walk down, so I need to pay attention. Oh. I'll see you at the bottom. Now I got to another path, and this I think leads to the New Zealand garden. So we are staying with the plants from the Southern Hemisphere. Oh, what would you be? I don't know. Let's see. I'll look for a label in a minute. Wow, you're really cool. Let's see these ones. They look almost black when the light is not on them. I could not find the label, so I don't know what it is. But try to identify it when I get back home. And we are out to a little meadow. Look at that. And lots and lots of little native daisies. And there's an interesting one here. Look at that. Oh, I know what this is. I actually found a tree like this in Brockville Park. It's the kohai, or I'm not sure how you say it properly. It was blossoming then. It had no leaves, so now I actually get to see how the leaves look like. It's pretty. And I think I read that this is the national tree of New Zealand. And the flowers are already gone, because it has long, yellow, little bit bell-shaped flowers. They were really beautiful. Cool! Now I've seen it in different stages. Okay, let me just show you a shot of this thing that I call the meadow. I think this is a place where they can hold events, so that's why they kept it. Oh, hello, happy bird. And I'm gonna go, I think, through there or someplace to find another path. Found something else. Let's see the leaves as well. There. Okay, I'm on the other side of the giant bromelias we've seen a few minutes ago. These are different ones. Ow! It stung me. They're huge. And I'm pretty sure that in their native lands they grow much taller. And after the giants there's a tiny little agave, which I'm sure will grow. And there's more there. And something really cute here. This is still buds. There's really beautiful leaves as well. Look at that. I'm curious what color will it be. Something pinkish, whitish? I don't know. But it's hanging on to a rock. Look. Oh, here's a very spiky one. A different type of agave. There's loads. Look up there as well. And along the path. Okay, we are going down on a little windy path, Ta-da. More of this beautiful white thing. Oh, there's some bluebells there. But I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. Palm trees of different types. Oh. I'm leaning completely back so I can show them to you. They're very tall. I'm very hairy. Look at that. Do you need a shave? Lots of buzzing. Just feels like everything is happy here. And this is an interesting one. Now focus please. Let's see you. Okay, I don't see any. Oh, there is a little bud of sorts. Oh dear. Come on. On you go, on the focus thing. No, it doesn't want to. Well, it looks like a tiny upside down acorn. What are you? Whoops. Hope to find a label. Just a sec. Okay, there's the label. Oops. Oh, come on. Sorry guys, I am struggling as you can see. I tried to pull the label further up front and it pricked my hand in different places, but it's called Coletia paradoxa. Well, something to look up. Spiky plant, that's something to remember. And I found a gorgeous monkey puzzle tree. Another one of my favorites. It's very tall. It has fresh cones on. Let's go see it a bit up close. There we go. They're so beautiful. Now let's see. A dried branch and one that's still very much alive. And let's have a look at your beautiful trunk. Look at that. It looks like someone pleated it nicely. So beautiful. Oops, sun. There we go. It's better this way. Okay, I'm getting dizzy. I tipped my head back so hard that I just felt the blood rushing. Okay. And continuing the head rush. I'm under it and it's so pretty. I found a different one with a beautiful colored trunk. And it's called the Arayan tree. Tall, slender. Oops. It has beautiful small leaves. Let's see them. There we go. Very green. You're gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen one like this before. I've been to loads of botanical gardens. Obviously, your brain gives out after a while because you just can't remember everything. but I don't remember that one at all. What else did I see here? I don't know. I forgot what I wanted to look at. Are you the same? I think so. Look, it almost looks like a rusty something. The colors are splendid. Look at you. Oops. Quite smooth. Pretty. Whichever way you turn, it looks like a postcard thing. Seriously. Absolutely beautiful. Hello. There's some bamboo. This is the very thin kind. They're amazing plants. The one that grows the fastest. So many different types and so many different uses in many countries of the world. Pretty. You're all pretty. There. Now what else is here? I've just spotted something. It's some beautiful flowers. Let's start with the leaves. They're pretty too. They have tiny little shimmering hairs on them. Don't know if I can show them to you. There. Let's see the flowers. Okay, that's a bud in front of it. I'll go behind it. Hold on. There. The only thing is that now the sun, the light is not good. Anyway, there's tiny buds. Ones that will be ready to open soon, and you, pretty thing. Can we see you? Oh wow. Look at that. I hope it shows. There's more of this plant here. Oops. Oops. Dangle. Lovely. Okay. I was trying to find a label for that beautiful red flower, but I couldn't. And we came from there. And I'm gonna continue going to my right. But let's have a look at this bush first. It's a Myrtus lequierana from Chile. Alright, so we jumped to the Americas then. Oh, okay, good to know. I didn't notice that. I have a map, but I didn't really follow it or check it. Let's have a look. It's a myrtle tree, but a different type then. We have some of it here in the UK, but the flowers are different. And it smells beautiful again. Look at that. Okay, let me show you the whole tree. Okay, the sun is behind it, so it's not the best. But I'm trying. Okay, where can we see everything? There, that's a good patch. Leaves, flowers, and that's how it looks like after they have blossomed away. The stamens stand out really. Look, absolutely beautiful. And I just noticed that I've gone over 30 minutes. Oh look, there's a little bee. So that means it's time to stop, at least for part 1. As I said, I'm pretty sure this will have part 2, 3. I don't know if there will be part 4 as well. That depends on the rhythm I'm going and what will I be seeing to show you as well. But I'm pretty pleased with everything I've seen so far. So I have a feeling it's not gonna disappoint for the rest of the wandering either. Okay. Alright, well, goodbye from under a lovely scented myrtle tree from Chile. And do check out the following parts to come in the upcoming weeks. Thank you! And as always, don't forget to like, and if you're not a follower, then don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you guys, see you in the next episode. Bye!